soalan A dia nak cumulative distribution. So kita start dengan X lagi kecil atau sama dengan kosong. So kita akan dapat kosong. Okay, itu yang first. Second, kita akan ambil equation ni dan kita integrate 0 to X, and lepas tu kita akan dapat 3/5 X square. Third, kita akan ambil equation yang ni pula, 6/5 ni. Lepas tu kita integrate 1 to X. So kita akan dapat yang ni. Okay, dan last sekali kita nak cari apa yang last sekali, kita akan buat X lagi besar atau sama dengan kosong, which is kita ambil yang F2 ni mana tu? Lepas tu integrate dengan 2 to infinity. Dan kita akan dapat yang ni 1. So final answer kita akan tulis macam ni. Start dari yang first tadi, yang kosong, sampailah akhir sekali yang satu ni.
For B1, nak cari X between 0.5 and 1.5. So first you take the first equation, you sub 0.5 to 1, integrate 0.5 to 1, and you will get 9/20. Then after that you take the second equation, you integrate 1 to 1.5, and then you will get 7/20. And then
this is actually take cumulative, right? No, this is take the pen and marker, right marker. I want that. This one not one. This one is F1 minus F0.5. Macam tu. Next. Same that one. F1.5 minus F1.
Then you get 7/20, and then you plus together, you get 0.8. Then run to find X greater than 1.5. So
This
so
one is
wrong.
what? 1 minus, right? Mean 1.5 more than. Mean less. Minus, right? This 1, right?
Yes.
1 minus.
Then at the end you'll get 0.05.
Next.
For the C, dia nak median of X. So kita ambil cumulative distribution FM equal to 0.5 sebab median dekat tengah-tengah, so 0.5. 1/2.
Which one?
So kita ambil dekat FM ni, equation ni, sebab dia antara 0 dengan 1. So substitute M ke dalam equation tadi, so dapat
Kita check substitute this one. 1 to here dapat 3/5. 3/5 is 0.6, right? The probability is 0.6. That's why we choose this one. This function. M lies between this. M. Okay?
So yang ni kita pindah-pindah dan square root dapat jawapan.
Mana plus minus? You need to show two answers. Cari satu lagi. Plus minus lah ni kan? Then M positive, right? M lies between what? 0, 1. Therefore M is equal to this. Okay? Okay?
Okey, untuk soalan 7 pasal 2013, soalan A dia nak construct a probability distribution table of the experiment. So first kita tengok soalan. Soalan dia kata 5-sided die ada faces number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So kita buat X 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Lepas tu dia kata probability of getting an even is twice of the probability of getting an odd. So odd kita buat 1, 1, 1. Even 2 dengan 2. Tapi kita tak tahu bawah tu berapa kan. So kita buat dulu, kita anggap yang bawah ni denominator dia K. So 1 over K plus 2 over K plus seterusnya equals to 1.
Y equals 1?
Sebab total probability equals to 1. Lepas tu kita akan dapat K equals to 7. After kita dapat K equals to 7, baru kita substitute ke dalam denominator dia. So kita dapatlah complete table.
Next, the question says the dice is thrown 5 times and the number of times of getting an even is noted. So from this statement, we know that n is equals to 5. And in order to continue this question, we have to calculate the probability of getting an even number first, which we get 2 over 7 plus 2 over 7. And the value is 4 over 7. So we know the probability of success in this event is 4 over 7, and hence xb is 5, 4 over 7, which x equals to number of getting an even number. Next, the question says, find the probability of getting exactly 2 even numbers. So we have to find px equals to 2. And by applying the formula, we need to substitute the value of n, p, and q into the equation. And then we press our calculator and we'll get the final answer is 0.2570. That's it. Thank you.
Binomial distribution.
Yeah.
Okay, hello. Kita buat soalan nombor 8 where the discrete random variable x can take value 0 to 3. So we have a few information. Px smaller or equal to 2 equals 0.7, and same here, equal or less than 1 is 0.55, and the mean is 29 over 20. So first question is you're finding probability of x equals to 2. So very nice diagram. It's all of these 2, so minus the 1 and the 0, you will get 2 balik. So that's what we're using. We're using the probability up here and here. You minus it, 0.5, that's the answer for x equals to 2 lah. So next question is we're constructing a probability distribution table for x. So at first semua ni empty, tapi kita dah tahu dah px equals to 2, 0.15. Okay, we move that first. And then nak cari benda lain. Here we are finding px equals to 3. We are using all of this. The sum of all of this equals to 1. So we take this, which is we just take this 2 plus 0.15 plus x equals to 1. So then x equals 0.3. Okay, you can move over here. And then next, px equals to 1. We're using the mean, the formula for mean. So here, 0 times whatever here is 0. Then 1 times y plus 2 times 0.15 plus 3 times 0.3 equals to the mean, 29 over 20. So calculate that, y equals to 0.25. Then you move over here. And now, px equals to 0, there's 2 ways. One, you can take all of this equals to 1. Ataupun this one where we're using px equal to or less than 1 minus px equals 1. Then you get 0.3 lah. And that's the end for question B.
Okey, untuk sini dia minta px lebih besar daripada 1. So jadinya px sama dengan 2 dengan plus px sama dengan 3. Dia ada bagi 0.15 untuk 2 dengan 3 untuk 0.3. So kita tambah je, kita dapat 0.45. Untuk soalan D, dia ada bagi dia ada minta variant x. Ni formula untuk variant x, ex squared, lepas tu minus ex squared dekat sini. So kita cari untuk ex squared. So kita kuasa 2 dengan kuasa 0.5. Lepas tu kita kuasa 2 kuasa 2 kuasa 1.5 dengan 3 kuasa 2 untuk kuasa 3. Kita dapat 71/20. Untuk kita dah dapat ex kuasa 2. So untuk ni kita dah ada nilai 29/20. So kita just square. So dapat kita just isi je and dapatlah jawapan dia 1.475.
The question asks us to show that k is equal to 1/8. So we need to integrate this function between -2 to 2 is equal to 1. So we integrate and then we will get k is equal to 1/8, which is true.
Okay, for A, they ask us to find EX. So to find EX, we integrate -2 to 2 using this function. So we integrate and then the answer is -2 to -2/3. Then they ask us to find variant x. To find variant x, we needed EX square. So we take x square times this function. We integrate it and then we get 4/3. So we substitute into the equation EX square minus EX square. We got 8/9. And then for B, they ask us to find the value of q. So which is the q is the limit. So we integrate -2 to q. We take this function and then we substitute and then we got q equals to 5.46 or q equals to -1.46. Since the limit is between -2 and 2, so 5.46 is rejected.
Question she is given that y is equal to ax plus b. So we sub in ey is equal to -13/3. Then we use a formula for ex is the property ax plus b is equal to -13/3. Then we substitute the ex from here. We substitute inside. Then we get this equation. Then because got two unknowns, so we cannot do this first. We change into another. But then we find a variance. Use a property. Then the variance x we get from here. Then we substitute back, we get a is equal to positive or -2. Since the question give a is larger than 2, a is larger than 0, so a is equal to +2. Then we sub back, then we get b.
Number 10. Discrete random variable x has Poisson distribution parameter lambda. Using the probability distribution function, show that this term. So that want to show means that from left show right. Okay, our aim is to show a x is equal to y plus 1 is equal to lambda over y plus 1 times a x is equal to y. The y integer. Given this is the second task. Given expectation x is equal to 1.5. Find the probability x is equal to 2. So we do this one first, show. So, okay, I take on the part first. And this part, okay, from left hand side, show is equal to from right hand side. So left hand side, probability x is equal to y plus 1 is equal to, then the formula, okay, ex is equal to x is equal to exponent power lambda power x over x factorial. We try to follow this formula for Poisson distribution. Okay, so this part, consider this one is y plus 1 is equal to x substitute. substitute exponent power lambda, lambda power x, x factorial. So x now is y plus 1, y plus 1. Okay, next step, try to adjust exponent power lambda, lambda power y, lambda 1. Okay, this is index one. This is separate this one to two parts. And this one using that one is separate y plus 1 times y factorial. Okay, why? Our aim is to show on the same like on the right hand side. And check this one. Okay, this part. Okay, Px is equal to y. Start substitute. Okay, now y factorial. Now x change to y factorial. Okay, so check this is, okay, if you can check, this is exponent power lambda negative lambda. This is exponent power negative lambda times lambda power y, lambda power y over y factorial over y factorial. So this is equal to Px is equal to y for the hot pin color. Okay, adjust lambda over y plus 1 and exponent power negative lambda power y and y factorial. Okay, this is equal to lambda y plus 1 times Px is equal to y. Yes, so this one is shown same right hand side. Okay, shown. Okay, betul for the part. Okay, for the second part, Px is equal to 1.5. Find Px equals to, okay, Px is equal to 1.5, and to find Px is equal to, okay, so actually this one, okay, Px is equal to actually refer to lambda. Lambda is equal to 1.5. Okay, using the find probability when x is equal to 2. So expectation formula, okay, lambda and lambda power x over x factorial. Okay, this is 2 x here. Then this is lambda and lambda. Substitute. Lambda is 1.5 and x is equal to 2, then substitute, and then e power 1.5 power squared over 2 factorial. Using the calculator, find the value. The answer is 0.251. Okay, and then check the answer. So this is the answer. Done for number 10.